Mushroom chicken rice pot.
by ZiHaiGuo.
Self-heating hot pots, also known as instant hot pots, do not require an external heat source or electricity to work.
Let's see what's available inside the pot. Dishes pack. Self-heating pack. Rice pack. Edible water. Soy sauce. Plastic fork. Foil bowl.
Put the rice pack and water into the foil bowl. Top with dishes pack.
Put the self-heating pack at the bottom of the big plastic pot. Pour water into the pot until this line.
Put the rice bowl onto the pot. Cover up quickly. Leave it about 15 minutes for heating and cooking.
Open the lid carefully, as the hot steam will flow out from the self-heating pot. Last step, pour the soy sauce onto the rice according to individual preference.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos2U channel.
Kudos2U is a foodie discovery channel, featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core. Local delights and community-recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos2U channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food. Which one is tasty and yummy? Which one tastes so-so only?
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe. Click the bell. Click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
Adding in the soy sauce has enriched the taste of the rice pot. Rice is well cooked and soft. Got pieces of real chicken chunks. The salty taste is so matching to the rice. Overall, tasty and satisfying.
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points, 8 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.